Alright, me and Marcos went to the junkyard today and I got 2 more sets of headlights, European style, which is aftermarket, and then genuine BMW ones. And I have these on. But I think this one has like low-key water. I just saw this. It has low-key water in it. So I could switch these without those. But these, the yellow is faded on it, so I don't like that. Well, I'm gonna like think about it, but I'm for surely. Wait, these are not BMW. Oh, that's what it is. Okay, these are not genuine. These are genuine. BMW. Yep. This is genuine BMW. That's lighter. The darker ones are not genuine BMW. So the one that is cracked, I cannot switch it with that because it's gonna look darker. Even though darker looks good, but it's not gonna match. Where is it? Yeah, it's not gonna match. So I mean, who cares? I have another set coming in the mail. These, literally the same exact ones, but blacked out. So I'll just take these one up, put these on for now. So OBD2, this comes off. Literally you spin it, comes off. And then 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 millimeter. I got deep socket, so I have more space to rotate my hands. Holy shit. Put that in the museum, fool. Oh my god, I gotta clean this right now. This is annoying. UPS!
Really?
Nah. I wish. Oh my god, the fitment is so bad.
Really?
Yes.
They don't fit?
They do fit, but it's not flush. This is flush. What is that? Maybe I'm tripping. Honestly, if you see it, you're gonna be like, it's okay. Before. Sorry, what the hell? Before. After. Which one you guys prefer? I prefer those. They look way cleaner. Modern, a little modern. But that just looks classic OG shit.
باشم با یه ترس دنبالم هم میان سایه های من نمیان پا به پای من تموم میکنم منم چه خاطرات تلخم قف میکنه در و با یه ترس تیغو کشید رگ و پاره کرد پشیمونه با یه حال بد اونجا میخنده آینه به حالتم چرا داد میزنین بیدلیل چرا در رو میزنین مامان اینجا چیزی واسه دیدن نیست تاریک میشه همه چی سری تاریک میشه همه چی سری
Yeah? They're on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Damn, if only you changed it to LEDs. Yep, they all work. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Well, that's it, guys. These are aftermarket. Good fitment here. Whack ass fitment over here. But they look good.
We did it.
Yay!
Cleaner.